Self-defense tip number 3.
Now, I don't know how this happens, but I've actually seen this happen so many times in a bar room, where even when I was in school, somebody's in a headlock punching and going crazy. I don't know how it happens, but it happens a lot. I guess people don't have the education to be smart fighters. If you end up in a headlock, down here, there's a lot of things you can do. First one, I'm just going to show you how to break away. You remember these little nerves we were talking about up under here? Just push like that and then put him into my favorite headlock. All right, piece of cake. Now, if I don't like that and I can't get him, he's got one of them big old bull necks like Remo has. He's got me down here and I'm fumbling around. I may reach up into his eyes or under his nose and pull him straight back and then get some of this other stuff. Or twist him around into my favorite headlock. Or if he comes back in, I'll give you all the choice to work. He's back here trying to hit on me. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go here, then I'm going to pick him straight up off the ground and snap his neck. All right. So let's got 3 options, work them back and forth, and have some fun. All right. Good. All right, that gives you room to run. Okay, get up in those eyes and nose. Good. Don't penetrate the eyes. Even if a person closes their eyes, you can still push your fingers through them. So be a little gentle when you train. Okay, now go up under the nose and into the groin. Good, and go the other way. That's the neat thing about training around here. Everybody gets their turn. Good. Okay. That's pretty good for right now.
Hey, Jimbo here. I've got an awesome free YouTube giveaway for the first 200 guys. It's the world's fastest drawing pocket knife, quicker than any switchblade. We call it the Striker. And with your permission, I will now rush you this amazing knife for free. Just pay shipping and handling, and it's on its way to your front door. But get to the link in the description now if you want one.
Self-defense tip number 2.
Do a block of a punch, and then combining that with a pressure point. As the individual throws his punch at you, you block, you catch, and you take him down. We're going to walk through that. As the individual throws the punch, we're going to block it, redirecting him. We're going to come over and we're going to go straight into the C-clamp. The C-clamp is where, in most of your blocks, you want to have your hand basically in the C-clamp position. Gives me the opportunity to do a lot of different things. One, I'm going to reach in, I'm going to catch him right on the jaw where the teeth meet in the back, and I'm going to collapse in. As I do that, I'm also going to hit right at the lower part of his back. I'm going to reach in, I'm going to be pushing, and I'm going to drive him straight down as I'm pressing into the gums and in the back of his jaw. As he throws the punch, we block, we come across, we catch, we press, we push, we step into his body, taking him to the ground. Okay? Let me show another one. This time, I'm under the blow. I come up, I catch the neck, and I do the same thing. Must remember, using pressure points with blocks is very devastating, and you can take and do great damage to this individual's throat. So as he throws the punch, and I come under, remember I'm coming in, I may take all of his wind away from him. What I want to do is just catch the throat, right up in here, use these muscles, press them in together, again, pushing the back, pressing, and driving him straight down. Coming from underneath, it's harder for me to get the C-clamp and driving him down. But I can here. And then we press in, step. One more time. I'm under, I'm here. and down. Now, to the importance of being able to take the block going into a pressure point. Should I miss and throw it, then I'll just take him all the way down. Again, we'll do this one again. He blocks. I parry off. I'm in here. Again, I'm going to push. As he comes through, he throws the punch. I block away. I step in, and I take him down. Take a look at all three of these again, real quick. The first punch here, come across, C-clamp. Next punch, underneath, but I come up into the throat, catching the throat, driving him down. Next, I miss, I come across, I step, hit across, and the motion is this way. As he comes, thank you. Again, person comes at you, you must redirect. Whatever you can get to, be it a C-clamp, his neck, trying to fight and find it can be difficult. So you take what he gives you. He comes in, redirect, take him down, and go from there. Remember, the techniques that you've just seen and practiced are to give you options. Do not anticipate what the attacker is going to do. Go with it, control it, and survive it.
Second notice about this awesome giveaway I'm conducting for the first 200 guys who respond. Get to the link in the description and I will rush you this stunning Striker pocket knife for free. Just pay shipping and it's on its way to your front door. This is a $70 knife, 8.5 inches long, cutlery grade steel, G10 handle, total quality. You can also draw this blazing fast if you want. I'll show you how. There's a strict limit of 200 to go around, so get to the link in the description now.
Self-defense tip number 1.
Now, inside the arm, and there's a few things I've left out today. These collarbones in this throat here, there's some great come-alongs here. We're going to get back into just hammer fist those things, or just stick your hand right down inside and trach them, or bring them this way. Now, right inside his arm here, we got some more nerves. Nerves really interesting. Right about here, just above the elbow, you got a little nerve. See that? Almost dropping to their knees. So if he were to swing a weapon or just do a winging right hand at me, if I had an umbrella and I wasn't extremely strong, and he swung, I'd want to step in here like this and go right to this area where that little nerve is. And so I want to step in and pass here. And once I hit here, I want to grab the wrist, turn it a little bit, push right in here, and then take my body, turn it 180 degrees, and take him straight to the ground. And we've got him in a pretty good position here, right? You can probably take that umbrella and stick it in his ear if you want to. I don't think he'd want any of that. Okay, now this works really well even open-handed. He swings, you come in, you hit this area with your forearm, and you take them on down real fast, okay? And then you can pull them in here and break their arm, or if you didn't go down, you can stand up here, grab a hold of their thumb, and rake them into a whole new world, all right? These are standing arm bars. They work pretty well. All we're looking at this moment is a simple takedown, okay? So, Judy, what I want you to do is work that takedown, and I'm going to have Dale working on Remo, and I'll have Remo working on Dale. 180, great, good deal. Try it with this. Nerves are a wonderful thing. Okay, one of the things I want to point out here is that when you're in a defensive situation, now I told you weak side forward, weak side forward, weak side forward. Well, if I'm playing in pure defense, I'm waiting on the attack. A lot of times I'm going to twist turn that individual 180, which means I want my power to the back. So it has to start up front. So here I get back into my guard position. Now I change my hands just a little bit if I got a weapon, because, oh, stay away from me. I'll poke you. I'll do all these things to you. But yet he still comes at me. So I step out here, I hit him, and we go down to the ground together. And I'll try to trap his head and keep him from moving. And I'll get that till I get that arm. You got this hook here. We already discussed how that fang works. Plus, these umbrellas got a lot of advantages to them. All right? So that's what I want you to do. I want you to put your lead side forward, and let's try. This is a real simple takedown. And then you're going to be up next. Good. And take him down, take him down. Good. You need to work a little harder to get up in that nerve. You're a little high. See a little high on it? A little bit harder right down in here. This nerve, if you hit it just right, boys and girls, you can take your thumb and press and take them straight to their knee. Okay? So you just have to look for those things. They are available and they do work. All right, let's try it again real fast. Get good posture. Block them out, go, and down. Good. Okay. Remo up, take the umbrella. We're just going to pretend that's our little stick for right now. Okay, wing and right hand. Block, hit. Good. You remember you got a tip on that umbrella too. Okay, let's try it one more time. Make sure you grab it, twist it out, get in, good. A little high. Okay. Some of the things that you'll see happening here, come on up, Remo. Yeah, some of the things you see happening when you first begin, you get a little energy built up in you. You work a little hard, and you see some of these trips going on. When you get this hand just right, you grab it, you turn it. When you get in here, you don't need to do all that little tripping. All you need to do is just turn them, and they're going to fall on down. Then you rush after them and stab them or whatever. Or you run away if that's where you need to go. I'm not going to tell you what to do after they're down. There are a lot of good reasons to leave the scene. That means to run away, because people have friends, people have weapons that you really don't want to confront. Remo, here. Okay, put your right side up front. Stand like this, both hands kind of aligned. When they come in, take both hands and pat at the same time, and then just twist, turn 180. Good. No tripping, not judo. They will go down automatically. Good. Okay, see, this will work better. Some of the times, guys, I don't like to see this tripping going on here, because if you're missing your trip, all he's got to do is reach up and grab me by the throat. And I'm gone. Finished. I'm in a real bad position. So don't worry about closing in. Just worry about working it until you find your target. And then drop your knees and just take them down. They'll go. You just have to practice it a little bit. Okay? You'll find it. Don't worry. It is there.
Final chance at getting a free striker knife. It's a $70 knife. It's one of the fastest drawing pocket knives in the world, and it's yours for free. Just pay shipping to get this to your front door, and I'll rush one out to you right away. I started with only 200 knives to go around. There are still some left, so get to the link in the description while you can. I'll see you inside.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.